TOI stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute TOI stock analysis video till the end, find out. With Oncology Institute stock, this thing is just, delivering, and absolutely F with it, I love it. Ultimately, this is how my chart looked like before. I was very open to just doubling down on this hide. If you watch my previous video, you will know what I mean by that. It went from being up down here to 42% up in a matter of a day in 6 hours. Moving even forward, the most likely thing that's going to keep probably going is just we keep making new highs, and the only way that I would again double down on that in this case though is if the price comes down and shows me a little retracements, so then I can take things up. Other than that, bro, everything else is noise, pure noise, or just something. When I say noise, it's just something that I'm not interested in. So yes, if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.